Welcome to Derek Does. Today, we're doing this. This is a series I did on baking. I did this a couple years ago and I just hated to waste it. And I thought I'd throw it up here on Derek Does because I do a lot of stuff. Now this particular one is this, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. Hi everyone, welcome to Baking with Derek. I'm Derek and today we're gonna be making sourdough starter. I made this years ago and I haven't made it in a long time, so I'm a little rusty on it, but I'm gonna make it in this. Picked this up at a thrift store. What you want is a wide mouth jar, something with a lid. You can get a brand new one, but I just found this one and I thought, you know, this would work really good. So let's give it a shot. Day one's really easy. Simply get your jar ready. We're going to put in 100 grams of whole wheat flour. A 100 grams of water. That's it. Simply stir it, get it all mixed in really well. Put a lid on. Let it sit. Repeat the process on day 2. Remove about 100 grams of your starter. Those bubbles are what you want to see. Basically what we're doing is we're refeeding our starter. The fresh water and flour will make your starter continue to grow and age. Uh-oh, blowout. It's okay, just clean it up. It means your yeast is healthy. Repeat these processes for 4 more days. Sourdough starter. Now you've seen how we made this. It took about 7-8 days. It only takes about 10 minutes a day to do this thing. I had one blow up where it actually came out and everywhere. So you might want to put it in a bowl just for safety's sake, because it does get the natural yeast and stuff in the air. It's real. So here it is, and what we're going to do next on the next video, I'm going to try to make some sourdough bread out of this. So you can try the same thing at home. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching and subscribe.